Welcome to everyone to do the question number 7 of exercise 9.1. In this question, it is given that here it is one of the building it is given. Here it is the building it is given. The building height it is 20 meter. So this up to this one, from here to here, this one it is the building, and here it is given that over the building, on the building here it is one of the tower it is kept. Over the building here it is one of the red marked tower it is kept. So the tower it is fixed, it is at here, and this one it is the bottom of the tower, and this one it is the top of the tower. And here it is from a point on the ground. This one it is one of the point which is on the ground. From the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the tower, it is our 45 degree. It means from bottom, so angle of elevation it is our 45 degree, and angle of elevation of the top of the tower it is our 60 degree. It means this one it is our 60 degree and this one it is our 45 degree. And it is asked you have to find out the height of the tower. It will be how much? It means it is asked you just have to find out the height of the tower. So this one it is two triangle related question, and I said whenever you are getting two triangles related question, always you have to consider the two triangles in such a way. First one it is our given side, this one it is the given side, and this one it is the given side, and here it is the common side. Understood? Given and asked both belongs to the same direction, and here it is the common one, it belongs to this direction. So for which you have to consider this triangle, and the larger triangle. Now I am giving the name of these triangle. This one it is our A, this one it is our B, this one it is our C, this one it is our D. So it means it is asked that you have to find out the CD distance. It will be how much? See, so for which first I have to consider this triangle, then after we have to consider the larger triangle. See, in this triangle, see the trick it was said to you. Here it is the common one, it is to this side, and asked one it is to this side. So for which our consideration it will be done as it is the angle for which that side it is our P side, means perpendicular side, and this one it is the adjacent side for which this one it is our base, means B. So it means we have to consider that trigonometric ratio which says the relationship between the P and B. PB related trigonometric ratio it is our tan. So for which I am writing in triangle ABC, tan 45 degree, this one it is 45, this little angle it is our 45. So for which writing tan 45 degree it is our BC divided by AB. And next step we have to put the value. Tan 45 degree it is our 1, it is our BC, means it is our 20 meter divided by AB. It is not given. So for which here the unknown one it is our AB. So for which on simplifying by doing the cross multiplication, I can write it as the AB it is our 20 meter. It means finally I got this one it is our 20 meter. So this one I am keeping within the box, such that this one it will be once again you will be utilized to solve and find out the value of the DC. See, and the next one it is the larger triangle. The name of the larger triangle it is our ABD. In triangle ABD, tan 60 degree it is our tan 60 degree it is our, this one it is the P, total one it is the P, and here it is this one it is giving that 20. Suppose I am taking this length, it is our X, the height of the tower, suppose I am taking it as the X, and it is asked to find out the value of the X. Tower height means it is also X. Here it is tan 60 degree, here I am writing tan 60 degree means total 60. For this larger triangle, it means this one it will be the P, this one it will be the B. So for which tan 60 degree, it is our DB divided by AB, which says tan 60 degree, which says it is our root 3, it is our DB means DB it is equal to 20 plus x, for which writing 20 plus x this much meter divided by AB. By doing the cross multiplication, I can find AP into root 3, it is our 20 plus x into this much meter. In the next step, our AP common unknown one, it is our AP, it is our 20 plus x divided by root 3. Here it is this much meter. So here I got one of the AB, there we got also another AB. Make this one it is the equation 1, make this one it is the equation 2. Next step we will write from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, as left side both are same, for which right side both will be same. So for which I am writing 20 plus x divided by root 3, it will be our 20. Then after the next step becomes by doing the cross multiplication. Here 20 means 20 by 1, for which 20 plus x, it is our 20 root 3. I want the height of the tower, which means x. So for which our x it is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20, which is equal to x is equal to, by taking 20 it as the common, here it will be root 3 minus 1. Hence the height of the tower is, final one it is, hence the height of the tower is, height of the tower is 20 whole into root 3 minus 1, this much meter. Understood this question?